Greetings folks, it's the 11th of February 2026 and I'm hoping in this video to use two of the batteries that I've made from scrap cells just as a hobby kind of thing really. I've got this big one here which has got 120 batteries out of Dyson Hoovers, and this one which has got 24 cells out of Toshiba laptops. So they're both 4S, so they're both theoretical maximum of 16.8 volts. I want to try running my diesel heater off this one, but first I'm going to use this one to try and pump some kerosene out of the oil tank so that we've got something to run on the diesel heater because it's empty at the minute. So I'm going to do that first. Hopefully you can see what that's saying. I haven't got my glasses on. I'm going to get this little one disconnected and we'll see if we can run the fuel pump off it for enough time to get some kerosene. Okay, here's the pump we're going to use, and it has definitely seen better days, but with the power of this battery it should work very well. So the pump's there and the battery is there, so when I connect it the juice will flow. Right, I'm going to connect it up, you'll hear it, the pump start, and then hopefully we'll get the flow. Right, I'm going to stop it and then I'm going to switch over to another tank and pump some more. So that's pumped about 8 litres approximately. Now we're going to pump another 20 in here and see if the battery does it okay. Going on again now. That is pretty much rammed full. The battery is showing 4, but the one on the left was definitely flickering, so it was thinking about going to 3. But it did the job, and it worked for quite a while. So we pumped about 28 litres of fuel, and the battery's still going strong. So that is an example of how it can be useful. Cheers. Before I sign off, I'm going to stick it on charge and then it'll be ready for its next job. There you go, it's back on charge. Sweet!